So hey, guess what? I was cleaning my room today, like I always do, Mom. And I was like, hey, let's turn on the classic computer, the Commodore Amiga 3000. Yes, it was built in 1989. This is a good testament to they don't build them like they used to. This computer, built in 1989, almost 20 years old, people. Almost 20 years old. Still runs. Still is pretty cool. Watch this baby crank up. Got a floppy drive, in case you people don't. I originally bought a Commodore Amiga 1000 back in like 1985. It was my third personal computer that I had. And the first one was TI-9948. Then I got a Sperry PC compatible computer, basically an IBM clone computer. Then I sold that and I bought the Amiga. I thought the Amiga was really cool because it was color, it was multitasking windows, and it had really cool sound. Like I will start up this music player that plays digital music from 20 years ago. And this is a multitasking computer. Music can still be playing and you can go do something else. Like here's a Tetris game. This all from computers 20 years ago. Built 20 years ago. Still runs. Still runs good. See your current computers that you buy today in the store last 20 years. These are pretty cool songs too. I play them occasionally just to listen to something different. I look at the Tetris game, will automatically pause because I took the focus off that window.
Okay, let's do it.
Wow, that was like a voice or something. It's pretty cool music for a computer that's almost 20 years old. Some of you kiddos that probably aren't 20 years old maybe watching this video. Maybe some of you know this song. Phil Collins, Mama. Yeah, these aren't MP3s, but this was like way before MP3s, but it's pretty much probably still the same concept, digital music on a computer. In a multitasking Windows environment. Pretty cool. My favorite game is Laga. Welcome to Deluxe Code. Alright, damn menu. No, don't get me. Alright, it's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Oh man, I suck. Yes, we're going to exit the game. Exit the game and go back to music. That's pretty cool, I think. Okay, kiddos Yep, built in 1989. Commodore Amiga 3000. Motorola chip, 80, what was it, 80 something. It's running at 25 megahertz. Can you dig that? 25 megahertz is the processor speed on this. Yeah, it's just blazing. What I liked about the Amigas, when they came out, they were in color and all the sound, and Macintosh still at the same time was black and white. Alright, have a good day while I listen to Phil Collins and Mama.